in next question is going to be arises, how do organisms obtain their nutrition? So nutrition is the process of obtaining the food and then its utilization for the energy and growth in single celled organism like that the amoeba, and the protists are the unicellular organisms. Some that bacteria is also the unicellular organisms. Just we are going to be discuss about the food may be taken in by the entire surface, but as that complexity of organism increases, the different part of become the specialized to perform the different function, because if that organism get specialized, that the process of digestion is also going to change. So amoeba the taking the food using the temporary finger like extension of the cell surface is called the pseudopodia. As you know that amoeba do not have the fixed shape, because that have the irregular shape. That shape is going to be changed according to that the need, and it is the amoeba is a unicellular eukaryotic organism that it considered in the our kingdom protista, so which is fused over the food particle and forming the vacuole. When that food is going to become, when we have see here in that, when the food material is going to become, then this formation of the pseudopodia is going to be takes place and form a vacuole, and food particle present inside this, and then after the go inside and digested, and so the whole process is going to takes place, and that waste material is going to excreted through the process of the exocytosis. And so inside the food vacuole, complex substances are broken down into the simpler ones, which is then diffused into the cytoplasm for assimilation. As you know, the lysosome is that responsible for the breakdown of the large complex substance into the simpler form. So here in that lysosome is the take a participation in the digestion of food material, and so remaining undigested material is moved to the surface of the cell and thrown out. That process is called the aeration. Similarly, in paramecium there are also the unicellular eukaryotic sleeper-like organism. So the cell has a definite shape, and food is taken at the specific spot called the cytostom, and the food is moved to the cytosome by the movement of cilia, which is the cover the entire surface of the cell. So we have seen here, and this is the structure of paramecium, have the cilia on the body surface, and the food is going to be come here in that, so that food is going to transported to the oral group, and the food go inside this, and so the process of digestion is going to take place inside the body of paramecium. So have the two nucleus inside the paramecium. One is that macronucleus, another is the micronucleus, and it have the contractile vacuole, and this contractile vacuole is that responsible for the osmoregulation, because these organisms are present in the water, so need to the regulate the amount of water inside the body. So that contractile vacuole play the most important role in the paramecium, as well as that in the mitochondria. So here in that we have seen the structure of amoeba. These are the irregular structure, and the nucleus is present and food particle is present, so that the first step, the ingestion, so the food material go inside this and formation of the vacuole, and then after food material go inside that the body of amoeba, then the digestion is going to take place, and after the digestion that are assimilate inside the cell, and then after the rest of the material, those material not going to digested, that are the removed from the body surface, and that process is called the aeration. So amoeba is also so the process of the holozoic mode of nutrition, that are the similar as well as like humans. In that next class we are going to be discuss about the mode of nutrition in human beings. So thanks a lot.